Okay. Today we are going to discuss chemical kinetics lesson. Listen. In TRB exam, in PG TRB exam, it's a very important lesson. It's a very important lesson. Listen. Now tell me what has been kinetics? Any idea, students? What is called chemical kinetics? Anyone?
Study of rate and mechanism of chemical reactions, sir.
Listen. Generally, what does mean kinetics mean? They call kinetics. KINESIS. Okay. What is the meaning for this one? They call movement. Movement. Okay. So what is generally what? Generally study about the rate of reaction, right? Rate of the chemical reaction. That is called chemical kinetics. Okay. Rate of the chemical reaction. I give the basic example. Okay. See, burning of petrol. Take two reaction. Burning of petrol. Next reaction, burning of wood. Burning of wood. Tell me among these two reactions, which is fast, which is slow? It is a fast reaction. Burning of petrol or burning of wood? It is fast reaction. It's a fast reaction, right? Burning of wood compared to petrol, slow reaction. Yes or no? But both are exothermic reaction. This also exothermic. This also exothermic. Okay, listen. Process same, right? This during burning of petrol, energy can release. During burning of wood, energy can release. Both are exothermic process. But first process, fast process, and second process is a slow process. Okay, that it means what? It means the reaction rate different, right? Now what is the main goal? Mean what? We are going to study the rate of reaction. Okay, see, in generally all chemical phenomena. See, all chemical phenomena two types generally, two studies. Number one, thermodynamically. Number one by thermodynamics. And second by chemical kinetics. By chemical kinetics. Okay. Now, what is thermodynamics? Anyone tell me? What is thermodynamics? The study about what? It is a deal with, please note, it is a deal with energy change. Yes or no? Energy changes and feasibility. Okay. Feasibility of chemical reaction. Feasibility of process under given condition. Under given condition. Using thermodynamics, we only study about what? The energy change. Okay. If reaction happen or not. Using what? Using delta G, right? We know delta G or delta G gives free energy, right? Negative means spontaneous. Delta G positive mean what? Reaction is non-spontaneous, right? Non-spontaneous. Delta G zero means what? Reaction is equilibrium. Okay. Using thermodynamics, we can only tell about the what is energy change. It can be energy absorbed or energy release. Okay, how much energy release or how much energy can absorb, we can find out. What is second important thing? The reaction will happen or not? Okay, reaction physical ilya. Okay, I mean reaction nadakuma ilya kandukkalam. Okay, that is thermodynamics. What does kinetics mean? Okay, it deal with. Please, very important. It is a deal with. It is a deal with rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. Deal with what? Rate of reaction. It means what? Oh, reaction slow or fast? Okay, a slow reaction or a fast reaction? We can find out using what? Kinetics. Listen, using thermodynamics, a reaction will happen. Reaction nadakada illa solla mudiyum. But using kinetics, what? And the reaction, evlo fast agudhu. Adu 2 minutes la nadakada, illa 2 hours nadakada, illa 2 years agada. Okay, that is kinetics. Next, what is the important goal now? Mechanism. Mechanism of reaction. mechanism of reaction I can find out. It means what? A single step of, okay, multiple step we can find out, okay. Now please mute your mic. Please unmute your mic, okay. But using kindness, you can deal with what? The rate of reaction and mechanism of reaction, okay, and factor affecting reactions. Okay. Now, what is our main goal? To learn what? To learn chemical kinetics. Okay. Please mute your mic. Everyone, please mute your mic. Okay. Now see. I give basic example. Okay. Take diamond. Diamond equilibrium with graphite. Tell me this reaction feasible or not? Anyone? This reaction diamond convert to graphite. Anyone? Anyone? Diamond convert to graphite. Reaction possible or not? See, according to, please note, according to thermodynamics, according to thermodynamics, the reaction is feasible. Reaction is happen. Reaction is happen. Reaction nadakkum. Okay, but according to chemical kinetics, it is very slow. It is a very slow reaction. Very slow reaction. It means what? Does not proceed at all. Does not proceed at all. You got the point? Okay. According to thermodynamics, okay, graphite convert to diamond and diamond convert to graphite, okay. But according to kinetics, this is very slow reaction. We cannot study what? The rate of reaction of this conversion. Now you understand? Now using thermodynamics, what we are going to என்ன சொல்ல முடியும் அப்படின்னா அந்த reaction நடக்குமா இல்லையா அவ்வளவுதான். Reaction feasible இல்லையா. Now, what is the role of kinetics? Okay, the reaction how much fast? எவ்வளவு ஃபாஸ்டா போகுது? It means what? That is called study of rate of reaction. Study of rate of reaction are called as chemical kinetics. You got the point? Okay. Now see. Now please mute your camera and audio. Okay. See. Now what is the main goal? In generally chemical kinetics deal with two levels. Chemical kinetics deal with two levels. அது என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஒன்னு வந்து மேக்ரோ லெவல், ஒன்னு மைக்ரோ லெவல். ஒன்னு மேக்ரோ லெவல், மேக்ரோஸ்கோபிக் லெவல். சிலபஸ்ல டாபிக், ஓகே. ஒன்னு மைக்ரோஸ்கோபிக் லெவல். Microscopic level. What is macroscopic level? என்ன மீனிங்னா, okay, that is what the factor of rate of reaction. Okay, please note. எதெல்லாம் வந்து macroscopic level அப்படின்னா, we deal with the rate of conversion of a reactant product. Reactant and product, okay, and concentration change, etc. இதெல்லாம் macroscopy. Okay, it means what? Order இருக்குல்ல, order of reaction, அதனாலது macroscopy level. What is microscopy level? That is energy level. Okay, yes or no? We deal with the molecular level. We deal with molecular level. molecular level. It means what? Okay, factor of in temperature, okay, activation energy. Voice is breaking. Students, please raise your hand. Hello? My voice is breaking. Please raise your hand. Pradeep. Oh, just wait. Wait now. I will check one. Just wait. Just wait 1 minute. I will check. My voice is okay, audible to everyone. My voice audible, Priya, Swangari, Jagan. My voice audible. Hello. Voice audible, Arka? Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. Other students, voice audible? Okay, listen. Listen. What is macroscopy level? Na? We deal with the molecular level. Okay. What is molecular level? Abdina? Involving mechanism, involving mechanism and activation energy and activation energy. Okay. And orientation of reaction and orientation of molecules. என்ன பண்ண கிளாஸ் கட் ஆயிடுச்சு நோய் நோக்கி வாய்ஸ் ஆடியபிள் now students connection sorry voice audible please raise your hand.
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay ma, thank you. Listen, generally in kinetics we deal with the two levels. Okay, first level பார்த்தோம்னா macroscopy level, second one microscopy level. Okay, what is macroscopy level na? You study about the order of reaction, right? First order, second order, third order reaction, அது வந்து macroscopy level. What is microscopy level அப்படினா? Okay, we deal with what? The involving the mechanism and activation energy and orientation of what? Orientation of molecules. Please understand. Okay, orientation of molecules. Okay, now syllabus ரெண்டு ஓகே syllabusல macroscopy இருக்கு microscopy இருக்கு ஓகேவா see now types of please know topic types of reactions on the basis of rate. General law, slow reaction, fast reaction, slow reaction, fast reaction, moderate reaction. Okay, tell me the slow reaction. Any example, students? Slow reaction example. Anyone? Slow reaction example. Rusting of iron, right? Rusting of iron. A slow reaction, right? Fast reaction example. Any fast reaction? Acid base. acid base neutralization reaction. Acid base neutralization reaction. Okay. Example, okay, AgNO3. Other, okay, first example. See, AgNO3 react NaCl. என்ன form ஆயிரும்? At the fraction of time, they will form AgCl, right? It's a very, very fast reaction. The reaction பேர் என்னது? Precipitation reaction. The reaction பேர் என்னது? Precipitation reaction. Okay. புரியுதா? Moderate reaction inversion of sugar. Inversion of sugar. புரியுதா? Listen. Now this reaction is based on classified based on the rate. Okay. ஒரு reaction ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவா போச்சுன்னா பேர் அது slow reaction. ரொம்ப ஓகேவா? ஸ்லோ ரியாக்ஷன் வந்து ரஸ்டிங் ஆஃப் அயான், ஃபாஸ்ட் ரியாக்ஷன் ஆசிட் பேஸ் நியூட்ரலைஸ் ரியாக்ஷன், மாடரேட் ரியாக்ஷன் பேர் என்னது? கெமிக்கல் இன்வர்ஷன் ஆஃப் சுகர். ஓகே. This is most of chemical reaction. The most of chemical reaction எல்லா ரியாக்ஷன் தான் மாடரேட் ரியாக்ஷன் தான். அதான் மாடரேட் ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ். Okay. Now listen. Now going to plot the graph. Now see. இப்போ வந்து listen. இது வந்து ஓகே, இது டைம், இது கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன். ஓகே. இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்லோ ரியாக்ஷன். ஓகே, ஸ்லோ ரியாக்ஷன் கிராஃப். இது வந்து ஃபாஸ்ட் ரியாக்ஷன். இது ஃபாஸ்ட் ரியாக்ஷன். இது மாடரேட். ஓகே, இது வந்து மாடரேட் ரியாக்ஷன். இது டைம், இங்க கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன், இங்க டைம், இங்க கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன். இப்போ ஸ்லோ ரியாக்ஷன்னா வாட் இஸ் ஸ்லோ ரியாக்ஷன்னா ஒரு ரஸ்டிங் ஆஃப் அயன் இருக்குல்ல. இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு சைக்கிள் ஒரு இரும்பு எடுத்து வெளியே வச்சோன்னா ஓகே, இட் டேக் மோர் டைம் டு கன்வெர்ட் த ரஸ்ட், ரைட்? அப்போ ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவா என்ன ஆகும்? ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவா டைம் பொறுத்து கான்ஸ்டன்ட் சேஞ்ச் ஆகுமா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஆல்மோஸ்ட் வேல்யூ கான்ஸ்டன்ட், ரைட்? ஆல்மோஸ்ட் வேல்யூ கான்ஸ்டன்டா இருக்கும் ஸ்லோ ரியாக்ஷன்ல. இட் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? டியூரிங் டைம் இன்டர்வல் the concentration of change in concentration is very slow. It means it's almost constant. Fast reaction na tappun kamiyiruma? Yes or no? Suddenly decreases. Okay. What a moderate reaction? Moderate reaction na de porumaiya decrease agum illaya. Idha moderate reaction. Okay. Idu moderate reaction. Okay, most of chemical reaction ella moderate reaction. Now we are going to focus only this graph. You got the point? Okay, listen. Slow reaction now, okay, with respect to time, the concentration change is very slow, very low value. It means what? Almost constant. Okay. Fast reaction now, instead or fraction of second ஆயிரும். ஒரு fraction of secondல reaction complete ஆயிருமா? We cannot find out what the change in rate, right? I mean change in constant கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாதுல்ல, அதனால suddenly decrease ஆயிரும். புரியுதா? respect to concentration பேசுங்க. Moderate reaction now slower இருக்கும். புரியுதா? அப்ப what is the main goal? Okay, what is our main goal now? We study about what? Moderate reaction. You got the point? Okay, அப்ப என்ன சொல்றோம்னா slow reactionக்கு we cannot study rate of reaction. Okay, fast reactionக்கு we not able to study rate of reaction. Why slow ஏன் பண்ண முடியாதுன்னா the change in concentration not measurable. Why fastல பண்ண முடியாதுன்னா அதே மீனிங் தான். ஓகே, ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா சேஞ்ச் ஆயிரும், இங்க ரொம்ப ஸ்லோ சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். அப்ப even slow reaction and fast reaction we cannot measure the rate of reaction. Now what is the main goal? We are going to focus only the moderate reaction. Therefore all chemical reaction and under the category of what? Moderate reaction தான். புரியுதா? Now move with the concept. Okay, it's just introduction. Okay, basics. Now rate of reaction. Now rate of reactions. See, இப்போ இது reactant R எடுத்துக்கும், இது product P. இப்போ time 0ல T is equal to 0ல, okay, இது 5 molar இருக்கு, 5 molarity. இது 0, right? Okay, our time is equal to 5 seconds. This is 4 molar. This is 1 molar form ஆயிடுமா? Yes or no? Similarly, and time is equal to 10 seconds. This is 3 molar. This is 2 molar. You got the point? Okay, and time is equal to 15 seconds. This is 2 molar. This is 3 molar. You got the point? Dot. But during the time interval, okay, what is concentration of reactant? Decrease or increase of that, students? Anyone? During time interval, okay, the concentration of reactant decreases or increases? Anyone? During time interval, the concentration of reactant increases or decreases? See, initially,
Reactant concentration decreases.
that's good. Product concentration
Increases.
Therefore, this graph for which one? This graph. This graph, reactant product. Now see the graph. This graph for reactant product. Times going on, concentration or decreases, right? Therefore, graph for reactant molecule. We got the point. It's a reactant graph. See, now I'm going to plot the graph. Okay, 2 graphs. This one for reactant, right? Is time is concentration. Yes or no? Our during 0 second la வந்து 0 second la வந்து 5 molar. 5 second la 4 molar, right? 10 second la 3 molar. During time interval what? Decrease, concentration decreases, yes or no? Okay. Now இது பார்த்தோம்னா reactant. What about product concentration increases? This is product. This time, this is the concentration. This is for product. First graph is the reactant graph. Okay. Now see. Now what is listen. Now what is a rate abdina? See the definition. Change in concentration. Change in concentration. Change in concentration of reactant or product. A reactant or product per unit time. Per unit time. Other rate. You got the point? Therefore, the rate of reaction, very important formula. The rate or external reaction, okay. The rate of reaction is equal to change in concentration. Change in concentration of reactant or product by time taken. Time taken. We got the point. Listen, what is unit of concentration? Mole per liter. Mole per liter. We simply call molarity. Yes or no? Okay. What is unit of time? Seconds. Therefore, what is unit of rate? What is unit of rate, students? What is unit of rate? Mole per liter per second, or simply called M S -1. We got the point. What is capital M? Molarity. What is molarity? The number of moles of solid dissolved in what? 1 liter of solution. Okay, listen. Concentration always represents molarity. That means what? Mole per liter. Time on the seconds. Now, what is unit of rate another? Mole per liter per second. Okay, please note, very important. Okay, it's a very important point. Please note. Next topic, Polama. Please raise your hand, students. Shall I go to next topic? Okay, thank you. Now see. Now rate. Classify 2 types. One is average rate, average speed. Okay, that is a rate. One instantaneous reaction. Instantaneous speed. Okay. What is average? What is average speed? V average. V average. This is speed. Okay, rate mana. It is speed. Okay. What is V average? What is speed average? That is what? Dx by dt. distance travel by time, right? Sir, no. Distance by time, speed, right? This is what instantaneous. That is dx by dt. This is speed definition, right? This is the chemical reaction. Okay? Your physical process speed is or chemical reaction rate. Now, this is convert. Okay? For chemical reaction. Okay? For chemical reaction, that is the rate. Now, rate class of two types. One average rate of reaction. What is second one? Instantaneous rate of reaction. One on the average rate. One on the average rate. What is second one? Instantaneous reaction. What is second one? Instantaneous rate. Tell me, anyone, what is the average rate? Anyone, students? What is the average rate of reaction? What is average? What is instantaneous? Anyone? What is average rate? What is instantaneous rate? Please note. Okay. The reaction definite over definite time interval. Time interval. Okay. For given time interval, this reaction average. What is instantaneous now? Please note. Okay. At the time. Okay. The rate of reaction at instant time. Instant time. Other instantaneous. Okay. I give the example. See, this example using the graph. Now see the graph. This is the time. Okay. This is the concentration. Okay. Now see. This is the graph. This is reactant of mind the graph, reactant product students. This graph. Reactants are product for this graph. Tell me. The reactant graph or product graph?
Reactant.
Reactant. Why reactant?
Reactant, sir.
Why reactant? Concentration decreases, right? Yes or no? Is it time? Okay.
Yes, sir.
You see. Is it time? Is it T1? Is it T2? Therefore, this is C1. Concentration C1. Is it concentration C2? Okay. Now I am going to measure the rate between the time interval of and T1 and T2. That is called average rate. You got the point. Therefore, the rate average that equal to change in concentration C2 minus C1 by T2 minus T1. You got the point? Yes or no? That is called average rate. Answer purida. Okay, listen, what is during this time, okay, T2 and T1 time interval, I am going to measure rate of reaction. That's average rate. Okay. If you C1 C2 students, which concentration is higher? C1 or C2 in the graph? This is zero value. Is it C1 or C2? C1 greater than C2? Therefore, rate average is equal to minus sign. It means what? C2 minus C1 by T2 minus T1. Why I put minus sign? Because see, this indicate decreasing concentration. Yes or no? Decreasing concentration of reactant. Okay. This product answer positive, right? Because during time interval, the reactant concentration decreases. During time interval, the product concentration increases. Okay. While writing the reactant now, we have to put minus sign. Okay. While writing the reaction product now, we have to put positive sign. But note very important. Now note rate is always positive quantity. Rate is always what? Always positive. Rate cannot be negative. Speed is negative, right? Rate always what? Based on concentration, you have to put minus sign. Okay. Reactant na minus sign, product na positive sign. Okay. Now, what is average rate of it now? We have to given the time interval, we are going to measure the rate of reaction on the average. Okay. Let's go with the instantaneous. See. இதுதான் கிராஃப் அதே மாதிரி. இதுதான் கிராஃப். இங்க கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன், இங்க டைம். சரி, இவ என்ன பண்ணா இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல now this point, okay, I am going to measure the V instantaneous reaction. புரியுதா? rate. you got the point. அப்ப இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல இந்த டைம்ல இந்த கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன்ல what is rate? It means what is the formula? That is called dc by dt. you got the point? yes or no? okay, எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம் அப்படின்னா இந்த பாயிண்ட் இருக்கா, ரைட் ஒன் டான்ஜென்ட் வரீங்க, இருக்கு டான்ஜென்ட் வந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரைட்ல வந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா என்ன ஆகும், இங்க கட் ஆகுமா, இது ஸ்லோப் எஸ் ஆர், இதான் ஸ்லோப். now this slope is equal to eta. this give what rate of reaction, that equal to what dc by dt. புரியுதா? அப்ப ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல ஒரு இன்ஸ்டன்ட் ஆஃப் டைம் இல்ல. ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு டைம் வந்து 5.1 செகண்ட்ல வாட் இஸ் ரேட். ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 5.2 செகண்ட்ல வாட் இஸ் ரேட். அது பேரு இன்ஸ்டன்டேனியஸ் ரியாக்ஷன். ஹவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட், அந்த பாயிண்ட்ல வந்து we have to இதோ டான்ஜென்ட் வரையணும். ஒரு லைன் வரைஞ்சிட்டு இந்த லைன் இந்த y ல கட்டாத x ல கட்டாத பாத்தீங்களா, அது கரெக்ட்டா ஸ்லோப் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த டீட்டா அந்த ஸ்லோப் வேல்யூ தான் அது ரேட் வேல்யூ. you got the point? yes or no? okay, please note. இது பேர் வந்து இன்ஸ்டன்டேனியஸ் ரியாக்ஷன். புரியுதா? அப்போ ஒரு இன்ஸ்டன்ட் டைம்ல இன்ஸ்டன்டேனியஸ், ஒரு டைம் இன்டர்வல்ல போய் அது வந்து ஆவரேஜ் ரியாக்ஷன். okay, okay, now we have to enter the main topic. Please note என்ன டாபிக் அப்படின்னா rate of appearance of reaction, rate of appearance and rate of disappearance. Okay. For disappearance, for what? Reactant product, students. This is for reactant product. Disappearance. For
Reactant.
For
Reactant, sir.
Good, reactant. For appearance, this is for
Product.
or only product.
Product.
Yes, good product. Okay. Now, what is for rate of instantaneous reaction for this one? Minus. We have to put minus, right? Minus dc by dt. For product, okay? Plus dc by.
Plus dc by dt.
Understand? Okay. Now, therefore, the rate that equal to plus or minus dc by dt.
dc by dt.
Understand? Okay. Listen. Even the reaction not reaction இருக்குல. Okay. Now see. இது வந்து 0.2 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோ. இது 0.5 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோ. Okay. Now what is rate? Tell me. Rate is equal to minus of what? 0.2 minus 0.5.
0.1.
இந்த டைம் வந்து 5 எடுத்து 10 எடுத்துங்க, என்ன வரும்? Divided by
10 minus
5.
10 minus 5.
Minus of minus 0.3 by 5. Yeah. Minus cancel out.
5.
But rate positive, negative or the rate? Rate is positive quantity. You got the point? Yes or no?
Zero.
Yes or no?
0.
You have to minus and what you okay? Minus put
Yes,
substitute the concentration term. C1 on the 0.5. C2 0.2, right? Our C2 is 0.2 minus of 0.5 na value become minus, right? This minus cancel out. Therefore, rate become positive quantity. Purida. Always rate is positive quantity only. Okay. Rate cannot be negative. Okay. Why I put negative sign now? This indicate what? This indicate this reaction. This rate reactant. Okay. If we put positive sign mean what? This rate for what? Rate for only product. Okay. That's the concept. The please very important. Okay. Now, for reaction, okay, listen. இந்த பிளஸ் வந்து ரியாக்டன்ட்க்கு, இந்த மைனஸ் வந்து சாரி பிளஸ் வந்து ப்ராடக்ட்க்கு, The plus sign for product. This negative sign for reactant. Okay. Now see, Mama, if in the link on the cut okay, the Zoom on the 40 minutes of free class. Okay. Within 1 minute like class cut you can join the same link. Purida. Other link join manam, okay. You can join the instant, okay. Don't take average time. Now take reaction. A plus B to gives C. Now what is rate of reaction? Tell me, students. Rate of reaction. Minus dA by dt. Yes or no?
TRB by
That
yes,
equal
sir.
to minus
Minus
dB by dt.
B by dt
That equal to plus
plus
dC.
DC by dt.
DC by dt.
Understand? Right. In the reaction stoichiometry, right? This is stoichiometry 1. This is stoichiometry 1 now. This is stoichiometry 1. Okay. Now see. For this reaction, how to write rate? N1A plus N2
దయవు చెల్లి అలంగు తన్ని ఊతిస్తున్నాను క్లాస్ లో
gives N3C. Okay. Now what is the rate of reaction now? Anyone tell me? What is the rate of reaction? Minus minus. Anyone, what is the rate of reaction for this one? Listen. To divide the stoichiometry, okay. Therefore, minus 1 by N1 into dA by dt. You got the point? That equal to minus 1 by N2 and dB by dt. That equal to minus plus 1 by N3 into dC by dt.
DC by dt.
Please note. If a stoichiometry is given, okay, we have to divide the stoichiometry. Please note. We have to divide the stoichiometry. Okay, now tell me this reaction, how to write the rate expression? H2O2 to gives H2O plus of O2. Tell me rate expression, students. What is the rate of reaction? Anyone? Rate of reaction.
Minus D of H2O2 divided by
Minus D
dt
of H2O2
divided by dt
dt, that equal to
plus
plus
D of H2O by
H2O
dt
by dt
equal to plus
2 1 by 2.
2 1 by 2 2 sir 2
2
D of O2 by
plus 2 D of
O2 by
O2
dt.
by dt. Okay. Please note. Okay, now see the one question. Basic question, okay? Basic question. First question. And same reaction, H2O2 gives H2O plus of O2. If concentration of H2O2 changes from 0.5 0.5 to 0.05 molar in 15 seconds. Then calculate number one, rate of reaction. Calculate rate of reaction, please note. Rate of reaction. And second one, okay, rate of appearance of O2. Rate of appearance of O2. Find out and answer. First one. What is rate of reaction? What is normal rate of reaction formula? What is rate of reaction?
C2 minus C1 by dt, sir.
C2 minus C1 by T2
1 by
minus
dt.
C1, right? What is C2?
0.0.
0.05 minus of 0.5.
0.5.
15 seconds, right?
15 minus 0. Yeah, 15. Okay, sir.
The reactor, H2O reactor only, right? You have to put minus sign, right? Here. Now value minus of
Minus
0.45.
0.045. 0.
0.045, right?
Yes, sir.
0.045. 0.045 divided by 15. What is answer? Answer 0.45, then 0, not 0.45, right?
Yes, sir.
Here 0.4. Now what is answer mean what? 0.03
0.03. Yes, sir.
mole per liter per
Small
second.
little inverse, second inverse.
Now what is rate of appearance of O2? Now listen, generally rate of reaction only for generally the rate of reaction can only rate for reactant, right? Our react H2O, what is H2O rate? 0.03 kurtachu question la. Okay. Now write the relation between H2O and O2. What is the form? What is the equation? H2O2 to gives H2O plus O2.
Half O2.
Now what is the formula? We know. Minus D of H2O2 by dt, that equal, listen, in the exam they only ask O2, right? Therefore I omit H2O, okay? Plus 2 into D of O2 by dt. They asking rate of appearance
by dt.
Therefore only D O2 by dt, that is good. Minus of what? DH2O2 0.03, yeah? Yes or no?
0.3.
By 2. Answer should be what? 0.015. My rate is
0.015.
please note. It's a basic question, okay? Now do this question, anyone. Same type question. Try this question. 2N2O5 2 gives 2N2O4 plus O2. Okay. If the rate of appearance of O2 is 0.5 molarity per second, then calculate rate of disappearance of N2O5. Option A 1, option B, option C 3, option D 4. Tell me answer. Equation 2N2O5 2 gives 2N2O5 plus of O2. The rate of appearance of O2 is 0.5. They are asking what? The rate of disappearance of N2O5. Now what is the answer? First write the rate expression. Either ரெண்டு லிங்க் பண்றான் பாருங்க, அது ரெண்ட மட்டும் எடுத்துட்டு you can equate the equation and find the answer. என்ன ஈக்குவேஷனுக்கு 2 N2O5 to gives anyone answer? 2N2O4 plus O2. Right? What is the formula? Minus 1 by 2 into D
D of N2O5 by
N2O5
dt
by dt, that equal to 1 by 2
plus
into D of N2O4 by dt equal to plus D of O2 by. Okay. They only what link with N2O5 and O2, right? Take the two equation. They asking what N2O5, right? Therefore, D of N2O5 by dt, that equal to 2 times of D of
of D
O2 by.
O2 by dt
What is rate of appearance of O2?
0.5.
What is answer? 1. Option A is correct.
Sir, 1. Sir.
It's a very basic question. Please note. Please write. This homework, okay? You can do this question. Write the homework question. Please note. A Cr2 O72 minus plus 5H plus 3 HNO2 to gives 2Cr3 plus 3NO3 minus plus 4H2O. Okay. என்ன கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா the rate of disappearance of Cr2O72 minus is 2.4 in 10 power minus 4 mole per liter per second. Okay. Calculate the rate of appearance of Cr3 plus என்ன? Okay. NO3 minus என்ன? கண்டுபிடிங்க. Okay. This is a question. Question கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Rate of disappearance Cr2O7 கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Using that data, we need to find out what is rate of appearance of Cr3 plus and NO3 minus. Okay. Do this question. Share the answer in our WhatsApp group. I go for next concept. Please no. Next one, please no. This topic is very important. That is called what? Factor affecting. Factor affecting rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. This first one, please note. First one, concentration of reactants or product. Concentration of reactant or product. On the concept by the order. Okay. The order, right? Second reaction, please note. Second factor, temperature. On the concept by the Arrhenius equation. Syllabus Arrhenius equation. Third factor on the catalyst. That is called activation energy. That is called activation energy. And fourth, surface area. fourth one the surface area. அதாவது absorption surface constant. Generally what this fourth thing affect the rate of reaction. Okay, now see first is very important. What is first one? Effect of concentration, right? Please note first factor, effect of concentration. Please note. See, if we take A and A plus B and capital B to gives product. Very important. The rate, please understand, the rate directly proportional to the reactant and power of the stoichiometry, and B and power of the stoichiometry, other rate. Listen, the rate, the concept of rate law. The concept of another rate law. What does rate law mean? The rate of reaction is directly proportional to the the concentration of reactant and the power of the stoichiometry. Okay, therefore the rate that equal to K into A power A and B power B. Now what is K is equal? K is equal to rate constant.
Rate constant.
That is equal to rate constant. This is very important. Please note. What is rate law? The rate of reaction directly proportional to the initial concentration and initial concentration of reactant and power of the stoichiometric coefficient. In general, in generally, the rate that equal to K into A power X and B power Y. X or A was same, sir. Maybe same, may not be same. Y and B is same, maybe same, may not be same. Sometimes same argla, sometimes different argla. Yepa same argo X or Y, X equal to A, Y is equal to B abina. Yepa the reaction stoichiometric coefficient argo. Appa both are same. Okay, sorry. Yepa the reaction on the elementary reaction argo. Appa and the okay stoichiometry and the order same argo. It means one single step or lichna. Very important, please note. Okay. So the points are legal. Okay. What is K here? K is a rate constant. K is a rate constant. Okay. This one. It is measured. K with the okay. It is measured. It is measured a rate of reaction. A rate of reaction. Please note. Higher the value of K, higher the value of K, faster the reaction. Faster the reaction. Okay. Now this is very, very important place. This is very, very important. That is called exam point of view. Okay. Please note. The rate constant. The rate constant does not depends upon concentration. With the concentration, it's only depends upon temperature and activation energy. This is very important. Activation energy. Very important, please note. Okay. So generally rate constant, okay, does not depend upon the concentration. Okay. This always depend upon what? Temperature and okay, activation energy. Now see. Now what is X here? What is X now? What is X? Equal to the order of reaction. The order of reaction with respect to this way. with respect to A. Yes or no? What is Y? It is order of reaction. It is order of reaction with respect to B. Next question. So what is order, sir? Okay, I will explain. Now you know what is rate law, right? What is rate law? The rate of reaction directly proportional to the initial concentration of reactant and power of the stoichiometry. Okay. Now see. Now what is order? Okay. Now what is order? Please note. It represent it. It, it represent how sensitive, how sensitive in the rate of reaction, rate of reaction with change in concentration, with change in concentration. Okay. Okay. Now see, if R is equal to R is equal to K into A power 1 எடுத்துக்கோ B power 2. இது என்ன மீனிங் அப்படின்னா A listen with respect to a which order reaction ma? With respect to a which order reaction? With respect to a which order reaction?
Third order.
With respect to A. A பத்தி கேக்குறேன். A பொறுத்து என்ன reaction? First order. B
First order.
second order, right?
Second order.
If the concentration of both A and B increases by 2 times. Increase பண்ணுங்க. Now what is rate 1? Now what is rate 2? Rate 2 is equal to K into 2A power 1 na? 2B power 2 ah? Therefore, what is answer? Therefore, the rate 2 is equal to K into 2 power 1, 2 power 2 into A power 1 and B power 2 ah? Yes or no? 2 power 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, right? Therefore, the rate 2 that equal to 8 times of K A power 1 and B power 2. This is called rate 1, right? Therefore, the rate 2 is equal to 8 times of rate 1. You got the point? புரியுதா? அப்ப if we increase the changing concentration, okay, we measure the changing rate in term of order. அதான் concept. புரியுதா? Now what is order of reaction now? It represent how sensitive, okay? நீ concentration change பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா எவ்வளவு sensitive rate மாறுது. அப்ப changing concentration பொறுத்து நம்ம பண்ணோம். Rate surely will be changed. எப்போ வந்து கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன் இருந்தா எப்போ வந்து கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன் ரைஸ் பண்ணும்போது எப்போ ரேட் சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது அது ஜீரோ ஆர்டர் ரியாக்ஷன் ரைட் A போர் 0 இருந்தா எனி நம்பர் போர் 0 1 ரைட் எஸ் ஆர் நோ அப்ப அந்த ஆர்டர் வந்து ஜீரோ ஆர்டர் ரியாக்ஷன் இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் ஓகே இஃப் ஐ சேஞ்ச் இன் கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன் the rate cannot be affect okay either first order other than zero order reaction இருந்துச்சுனா the surely what if I increasing or if I decreasing concentration the rate can be altered in term of what using the order concept. Please note. Next very important point, very important, please note. This order is again exam point of view. Important point. 60% theory question, right? TRB. 40% only numericals. It is an experimental quantity. Experiment is the order, okay? It is an experimental quantity. Okay. Order can be 0. Order can be 0 ஆகலாம். Okay. Positive ஆகலாம். Fraction ஆகலாம். Please note. Very important. Okay. Now see, in general, in general, in general, the rate is equal to k into a power n. Now what is n is equal to? N is equal to order. Okay. Therefore, the k in go. Therefore, the rate constant kn that equal to rate, that equal to a rate by a power n. Yes or no? Okay. Now what is the unit of k? Now what is the unit of k n abdina? What is rate of unit? What is the unit of rate? Mole per liter per second inverse. Yes or no? Concentration unit mole per liter. Yes, again. The மேல கொண்டு போலாமா? What is மேல ஒரு simplified என்ன answer அப்படினா mole, okay, liter inverse 1 minus n second inverse. This is the general formula. This is very important. Please know. What is the formula? Unit constant. Mole liter power 1 minus n second inverse. Now what is n squared order? N squared order. Substitute the formula. Simple. For n squared 0. For 0 order, what is unit ma? For 0 order, what is rate constant unit? Tell me. First order unit. First order. N is equal to 0. N is equal to 1. N is equal to 2. Second order. What is the unit? Tell me anyone. The second n is equal to 2. Second order. What is the unit of rate constant? This is 0 order. This is first order. This is second order. N is equal to 3. Third order. A3. N is equal to 3 by 2. What is order? 3 by 2. Tell me. First, 3 solunga mathra rendu homework, okay? Remaining 3, tell me answer. What is 0 order reaction? Enna formula? Mole liter minus 1, 1 minus 0, second inverse. Therefore, same mole per liter per second inverse. Yes or no? For first order reaction, okay? Mole liter power 1 minus 0, sorry, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, second inverse. Therefore, A for 0, 1 up, second inverse unit. Second order reaction, okay? Moles per liter 1 minus 2, second inverse. Therefore, mole per liter minus 1. What is the answer there? Per mole liter second inverse, okay? And third order 3 by 2 and 1 by 2, okay? 3 questions. Third order reaction 3 by 2 order, 1 by 2 order, okay? This 3 question homework. Send the answer to WhatsApp group. Please. Okay. Remaining we discuss tomorrow. My humble request, okay, during class hours, please mute your mic and video and audio mute பண்றீங்க, okay வா? Then you can understand the clarity, okay? அப்பதான் clear-ஆ மத்தவங்களுக்கு புரியும். வாய்ஸ் எல்லாம் பிரேக் ஆயிரும், ஆடிபிளா இருக்காது. Okay? Any doubt you can ask one by one. Doubt இருந்தா கேட்கலாம். I will send the questions, okay? Today what I discuss, I will send few questions to WhatsApp group. Just try the questions and tell the answer in group. So any doubt you can call. You have a number, right? Admin number 93. Please note number 93-420-66295. Okay. Any doubt you can ask. Any doubt you can ask now, one by one. Doubt on the kettle. No doubt. Any doubts? Okay, mom. See you tomorrow. Take care. Tata, bye bye. Happy learning.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.